Today we're going to talk about cleaning up a mistake in 3 minutes or less. My name is Joshua.
I am Lucas.
And I'm Eric.
Eric and Lucas are licensed professional counselors, and today I'm giving them 3 minutes to talk about this particular course from our website, empoweringchoices.community, and our app, Empowering Choices Parenting.
So this is definitely all about when your kids make a mistake, right?
Oh, yeah. It's all about when the kids make a mistake. Sarcasm. No, this is about when we make a mistake as parents, as adults, and how to go back and do some cleanup, with that mistake. There were several times when I was growing up where I can remember my mom coming back and sitting down with me, my dad coming back and saying, okay, I'm not apologizing for the content of what I said, but I do want to say I'm sorry for my delivery of what I said. And let's talk about that, because they would say, that I was too angry to have talked to you at that time and it came out wrong. But here's things I wanted to make sure you heard.
Josh, would you say that is the thing that you see as parents making mistakes is the anger or the tone or the delivery? Because I'm completely, yes, 100%. That seems like the place where we screw up.
Yeah. I mean, that's definitely what I think. And even as an adult, I just had a conversation with my dad the other day, and he called me within about 10 minutes of that conversation as he was driving back home. He said, hey, I just wanted to say earlier when we were talking, I hope you didn't take it the wrong way. And I know I maybe sounded a little whatever. And I appreciated that even as an adult. But that much more, I definitely think that happens quite a bit.
Right. And I mean, I have a challenge with, being loud or yelling at my children. And as I expressed in one of our previous segments, it's actually not effective. And I have definitely on numerous occasions already said, I shouldn't have yelled at you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Right. So
it shows that the relationship matters.
Sure. Absolutely.
I look back at that and I appreciate my parents' vulnerability to be able to come back and admit that they did something wrong.
Yeah.
Because as a child, I already knew something wasn't right about the interaction. It just didn't feel right. So they're going to pick up on that. And then when you come back around, you actually don't look weak. You look stronger. You look stronger in their eyes, and they will respect you more. And, and it may not be right away immediately. And yes, I know there's somebody going, well, you don't know my kid. Well, there's 7 billion people on the earth, so there's a lot I don't know. But I've seen enough, worked with enough that, this is a human response. Eventually, they're going to respect you for being able to do those things.
Right.
So apologizing does a lot of good things, not just even in the moment.
Yeah, and if apologizing is a hard word to use, going back and just re-sifting through it in a different way, they're going to have a lot of respect for that.
Totally. So definitely make sure you check out that course on our website at empoweringchoices.community. And it's also available in our app. And that was Indy, who you'll find on our website at empoweringchoices.community. And you can kind of learn who he is, as you probably heard him ruffling around in the background. So we'll see you on the next episode.
But there's Indy, knucklehead.